Hello guys, today is another day. Yes, I'm going to give you a good trick that can help you to win a straight. Okay, straight win is a very good strategy that I can show you right now, so stay here and I'm sure that you're going to make a profit, guys. Okay, first of all, I need you to understand that this is a prediction, it's not a fixed. This is a prediction. It's about a strategy. Okay, so we are using strategy to make us win. So if you know that you need to find at least 10 odds or 20 odds, and I'm sure that for this strategy you are going to get 20 odds or 10 odds, even 5 odds stronger. Okay, that can help you to make win. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click the icon bell. That will be the first to get my notification. Whenever I post a video, you'll be the first one to get it. So just listen to me careful. You are going to win big. Okay, you are going to win big. Let us start. I need you to locate this place here. It calls sports. Okay, tap on it. Let's wait. Okay, here I need you to locate today games. I need you to locate today games. So where is the today games? Is this one, today games. Okay, so tap on it, today games. Even if you need to bet all football, don't worry about that, because you can use it for mega, no problem about that. So here we got this game, all of these games for today. Okay, all of these games for today. So I'm going to show you how to predict a straight win and higher odds. Okay, straight win and higher odds that can make you sharp. Okay, guys, this is a strategy. I need you to use a draw section. What I mean when I said a draw section, it means after this, look. Okay, this is the draw section. So only we're going to use a draw section to predict a lower odds. Okay, I'm sure that you understand what I'm talking about. Draw section must be a higher odds, and I'm going to give you which odds you can follow to predict a straight win. Okay, from draw odds. So draw odds like this. This is for example. Okay, this is for example. You can choose away win, because this away win is a lower odds than home team. Okay, so this game I'm using by example. So let us find the real matches that you must predict straight win. Okay, let us find. Okay, the first game here, this is the lower odds, but okay, you can take it. This is the lower odds, but even you have higher odds, you can choose it, guys. Okay, let me show you the one example, guys. You see this? I'm sure this game will home team is going to win. Okay, this is a higher odds. Look at this odds. Okay, I will explain you very well. This odds, I'm sorry for that, there is another call. Okay, let us continue. Sorry for that. Here you see this one, guys. You may try this, and I'm sure that you're going to get a good result. Okay, So if you find only 2 odds or only 5 odds, guys, you are good to go with this strategy. I'm sure that you are going to make a profit. Whenever you see the odds from 3.70, that much, just use a lower odds as straight win. Okay, here I have this one. You see, I'm using this as straight win. Is the higher odds 1.94 is the higher odds, guys. Okay, and you see up to 4.80 is very good odds. For this, just look, 2.05 is very good for straight win. Even if you use a higher odds, just choose a lower odds between away team and home team, and I'm sure that you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, this can give you to make a big win. Okay, big win like this, 2.10. This is a strategy, guys, so use it very well. If you use it very well, I'm sure that, guys, you are going to win big. Okay, just look at this odds. It's very good odds. I have 12 matches and I got 2,352 odds. Guys, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable strategy, and I'm sure that, guys, you are going to be a winner. You are going to win big about this strategy. Let us remove this a lower odds, and this one a lower odds. I need to choose only higher odds. Let us look the odds. Okay, 1,000 odds. It's very good odds. How much? How many games? 10 games. Okay, guys, this is very good. So I'm giving you the booking code. Just try. How many games will be losses? I need to show you. Just try it. You will be commented. You will comment in comment section to say if it works or not. Okay, if you find only 2 odds, guys, it's incredible. You are very, very sure to win your game. Okay, just find only 3, only 5 odds, you are good to go, guys. So this is the nice strategy, very good strategy, because they are using a draw to lie us, which this match is not very good for us. But I'm telling you the truth, just use this strategy and I'm sure that you're going to make a profit, guys. This is the booking code, 10 games booking code. Okay, AA9153. Okay, thank you so much.